Sharing with you my devotion today. Sabi sa 1 Samuel chapter 25 verse 39, Praise be to the Lord who has upheld my cause against Nabal for treating me with contempt. He has kept his servant from doing wrong and has brought Nabal's wrongdoing down on his own head. May nanakit sa'yo, niloko ka, minamaliit ka ng tao, ito ang paalala. Hindi mo kailangang gumante, si Lord ang bahala. Makikita natin sa verse na binasa natin that David was angry. He wanted revenge. Pero pinigilan siya ni Lord and in the end, God fought for him. Yung taong nanira sa kanya, si Lord na mismo ang nag-deal. You don't have to fight dirty to win. Let God defend you. God sees every insult, every injustice, every betrayal. At kung magtitiwala ka sa Kanya, He will lift you up and He will bring justice. Say this prayer with me. Sabi mo, Lord, I release this hurt. I won't take revenge. Ikaw na ang bahala. Kung nakarelate ka sa message na to, i-comment mo, God is my defender. And share this video to someone na sa tingin mo ay nasasaktan pero pilit na nagpapakatatag. Tandaan, vengeance is not yours. It's the Lord.